Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Sheldon here at A&R Supply Company in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just doing another video today to highlight another product that we sell on our web store, which is www.arsupplyco.com. And we also sell this item in our local store here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The product I want to highlight today is called the Stair hook, or the hose hook as some people call it. And what the Stair hook does, obviously, is it keeps your hoses, when you're cleaning upstairs, it keeps your hoses from wanting to fall down the stairs. It's really annoying. So all you do is you just wrap your solution hose and your vacuum hose into the Velcro strap here, and you hook the hose onto the railing or the banister of the stairs, and that keeps your hoses again from falling down the stairs. It also helps us avoid tripping hazards, as this keeps the hoses up against the side of the stairs so that you and your technicians can walk up and down the stairs without worrying about tripping on hoses and falling down the stairs. And the same for the homeowner. If the homeowner is walking up and down the stairs, this just keeps the hoses out of the center of the staircase. So it'll help you avoid some injury too. So we recommend having like 2 or 3 of these on every carpet cleaning van. They're just real handy to have, and you can order these at our web store. And again, that's www.arsupplyco.com, and I'll put a direct link to our web store for these down in the description of this video. You can also come into our local store and buy them. We've always got them in stock, and they're just really popular and really handy. And again, I just recommend that you have at least 2 or 3 on each of your vans. I just want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.